The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is an independent agency of the U.S. federal government responsible for the civilian space program, as well as aeronautics and space research. NASA was established in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA. The new agency was to have a distinctly civilian orientation, encouraging peaceful applications in space science. Since its establishment, most U.S. space exploration efforts have been led by NASA, including the Apollo moon landing missions, the Skylab space station, and later the Space Shuttle. NASA is supporting the International Space Station and is overseeing the development of the Orion spacecraft, the Space Launch System, and commercial crew vehicles. The agency is also responsible for the Launch Services Program, which provides oversight of launch operations and countdown management for uncrewed NASA launches. Since 2011, NASA's strategic goals have been 1. Extend and sustain human activities across the solar system. 2. Expand scientific understanding of the Earth and the universe. 3. Create innovative new space technologies. 4. Advance aeronautics research. 5. Enable program and institutional capabilities to conduct NASA's aeronautics and space activities. 6. Share NASA with the public, educators, and students to provide opportunities to participate. NASA's Aeronautics Research Mission Directorate conducts aeronautics research. NASA has made use of technologies such as the Multi-Mission Radioisotope Thermoelectric Generator, MMRTG, which is a type of radioisotope thermoelectric generator used to power spacecraft. NASA started an annual competition in 2014 named Cubes in Space. It is jointly organized by NASA and the global education company iDoodle Learning, with the objective of teaching school students aged 11 to 18 to design and build scientific experiments to be launched into space on a NASA rocket or balloon. On June 21, 2017, the world's smallest satellite, Kalam-S8T, built by an Indian team, was launched. NASA headquarters in Washington, D.C. provides overall guidance and political leadership to the agency's 10 field centers, through which all other facilities are administered. The 10 field centers are: Space Center 1, John F. Kennedy Space Center, KSC, is one of the best-known NASA facilities. It has been the launch site for every U.S. human space flight since 1968. KSC manages and operates rocket launch facilities for America's civilian space program from 3 pads at the adjoining Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. NASA also operates a short-line railroad at KSC and uses special aircraft. 2. Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center, JSC, in Houston, Texas contains the Christopher C. Kraft Jr. Mission Control Center, where all flight control is managed for crewed space missions. JSC is the lead NASA center for activities regarding the International Space Station and also houses the NASA Astronaut Corps that selects, trains, and provides astronauts as crew members for U.S. and international space missions. 3. George C. Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama is the rocket development center, at which the Saturn V rocket and Skylab were developed. 4. Ames Research Center, ARC, at Moffett Field, in California's Silicon Valley, was founded on December 20, 1939. The center was named after Joseph Sweetman Ames, a founding member of the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA. 5. Armstrong Flight Research Center, formerly Hugh L. Dryden Flight Research Facility, Edwards, California. 6. Goddard Space Flight Center, Greenbelt, Maryland. 7. Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, worked together with the Army Ballistic Missile Agency, ABMA, one of the agencies behind Explorer 1, the first American satellite. It is located near Pasadena, California. 8. Langley Research Center, LaCie, founded in 1917, is the oldest of NASA's field centers, located in Hampton, Virginia. LaCie focuses primarily on aeronautical research, though the Apollo lunar lander was flight tested at the facility and a number of high-profile spacecraft have been planned and designed on-site. Langley currently devotes 2/3 of its programs to aeronautics, and the rest to space. 9. John H. Glenn Research Center, GRC, formerly the Lewis Flight Propulsion Laboratory, located in Brook Park, Ohio, was established in 1942 as a laboratory for aircraft engine research. John H. Glenn Research Center, Cleveland, Ohio. 10. John C. Stennis Space Center, Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. Subordinate facilities include the Wallops Flight Facility in Wallops Island, Virginia, the Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans, Louisiana, the White Sands Test Facility in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and Deep Space Network stations in Barstow, California, Madrid, Spain, and Canberra, Australia.